In today's video, I'll teach you how to make your own GIFs on TikTok. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TikTok. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, TikTok has been opened. So if you want to make the GIF, what you have to do is turn any video into GIF. You can locate the video. You can also turn your own video into GIF, or you can also turn others' video into GIF. So simply find the video that you want to turn into a GIF. Now in that video, you'll be able to see various icons. Tap on the share icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find the options like report, not interested, etc. Simply scroll right. Now over here, you can see the option for share as GIF. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to turn this video into GIF. You'll be able to select the duration of the GIF like you want. Now after you do that, tap on this option generate that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while, it is being converted into GIF. Now you can see over here, it has been converted to GIF. You can share the GIF if you want. So like this, you'll be able to make your own GIF. So that is how you make your own GIF on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.